6 wafer-like LED pot lights installed in their bedroom ceiling. So let's get it. Alright guys, I just finished cutting the holes. I'm gonna get wiring now, okay? Okay, I just got down from the attic. All the wires are run. Now I just have to make a home run from here down to that switch. Alright, I'm in the attic. I'm just going to drill the power line. It's not a very good time, so hope you guys appreciate this. should be it. I'm gonna put my snake down here now. And hopefully it pops out down there. Should be lots. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here, go down there and make sure it's there. The phone's to the ceiling. Cross your fingers, boys. Okay. Couldn't see any light when I was down there, but got it. Thank God. Okay, I'm gonna take my wire up there and gonna put the wire up and down and put it down through this hole and then power everything back up. We should be good. All right, I got the wire fished up into the attic and I brought it down to this box here, and now I'm just going to connect it all and get it powered to this switch with the new double switch here. All right, so I got everything wired up and tucked away here. That's the before, and that's after. Let's get it.
I'm in the pub with the bros, lighting up something that goes. Nothing